Фамильная что?
Красавчик!
Трогай, не трогай. Фамильная что?
А?
Я тебе слово даю, ты без него останешься. Фамильная что?
А ваше?
А?
А ваше какое?
Инспектор ДПС Османов Ренат.
А можете удостоверение показать?
Да, я вам сейчас предоставлю. Ваше фамильное что?
Ну, покажите мне удостоверение.
Я тебе мужское слово даю, ты без него останешься. Я тебе слово даю боевой офицер. То ты останешься без него. Вот так будешь орать, потом красавчик или не красавчик. Так вы забирать его тоже будете посмотреть. Я тебе что сказал? Что, давай, ладно. В стране тебе сказал же, поставь машину вот сюда. Ладно, слушай. Хорошо, а тебе... Ну, ничего страшного. У меня все... Фамильное что?
Что ты снимаешь?
I'm gonna videotape you killing somebody. If you kill somebody, I got you on camera. फोटो खींचो, फोटो जल्दी जल्दी फोटो खींचो, फोटो खींचो। बंदा क्या करे? बंदा क्या क्या?
But he's hungry. I tell you what, it's just a little thing. We're going to see it in slow-mo and it's going to look beautiful. He ends the most powerful ball carrying back in the Gallagher Premiership. He absolutely melts him.
Ih, não vai meter dessa não, vai meter dessa não. Ah, qual é, cara? Olha isso, cara. Foi embora, mané. Ih, o guardião foi atrás, mané. Ih, mané, deu merda. Pô, qual é, cara? Qual é, cara? Não acredito, nem vou ter que filmar pra você, mano. Ih, mané, deu fuga, hein, mané. Qual é, cara? Qual é, cara? Faz isso não, cara. Qual é, do guardinha? Ih, meteu marcha, mano, olha lá. Que isso, cara. Ai, ele é muito doido, meu. Papo reto. Olha isso, foi embora. Qual é, cara?
Yeah, MD, JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them, then I tell them.
So, there, oh, I didn't see him. Who, me? Who on me? Me? Okay. I think he's pulling me over.
Good morning.
Hey, man.
Oh, very good. How about you, bud?
Cool bike.
Thanks.
But the thing is, what I saw the back
Uh-huh.
is that I don't see a reflector in the back of your bike,
Uh-huh.
and your signals are not 9 inches apart. Is that how the bike came?
No.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not. To be honest, it's not.
So the bike came with the
fender, yes.
thing? Yeah, so that's why I'm stopping you. The person behind you needs to know which way you're going.
Okay.
If they're both together, then can't. If they're both together, then they don't know if you're going right, left. And you're also required to have a red reflector in the back.
True.
Was the red reflector on top of the original?
It was, yes.
Yeah, so is there a reason why you changed it?
Honestly, it's just I didn't like the other fender. It was,
like the look?
yeah, I didn't like it. I have it at home though too, so I could swap it back on. It's no problem.
Oh, cool. Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do, sir.
Cool.
Sure, want me to pull it out for you?
Do me a favor and take your helmet off?
Sure.
I like to see who I'm talking with.
Sure. You want me to get my license first?
Take your helmet off first.
Okay, no problem.
See how your signals are apart?
Yeah.
That's why they do it that way. Cool bike.
Thanks, my friend. Yeah, I do. It's under the seat.
Cool.
Can I pull it out for you?
Yeah, if you have a kickstand, you can kickstand it and you can get off the bike. At least you got somebody recording something for you. Okay, cool, man. Have a good day.
How fast was he going when he hit me?
Over 100. I caught up to him. He was all over the road, and then he looked back at me and just kept going straight when he hit the curve.
Пизда там мой стоит.
Mi primer checkpoint pasado, como si... How are you? Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Sorry. I came today from Benin.
From Benin?
Yeah, to Nigeria.
Benin.
Benin, oui.
Republic.
Yeah.
Coming from?
From España.
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 Look.
Yeah. From Spain.
Spain.
Yeah. Hello.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Okay.
I'm good.
Yeah. Where you come from?
From Spain.
You got on this bike from Spain? Camera.
Yeah, but no. Not now, camera. Yeah, from Madrid. You like football? Cameroon, Gabon, all the way to South Africa. Wow. Okay, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. It's music. Yeah. Huh?
Where's the camera?
This is, but this music, for music. Camera not working, yeah. But camera good here or no? Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.
Hey, how's it going? Good. Oh, you can't? I was told we have to.
By who?
By my buddies that got me into them. You have to ride them on the street.
You have to ride them on the street, but if you ride it on the street and it's motorized, then you have to have a license.
Yep,
right?
yep.
Do you have your license on you real quick?
I actually don't. It's in my...
For my safety, are you carrying firearms if you don't?
No.
Okay. And then do you happen to have like proof of insurance or
Nope.
registration for it, nothing like that?
This is smaller than a pit bike.
Okay. Gotcha.
It's kind of like a kid's bike.
Gotcha. Alrighty. So just do me a favor. I'm gonna run some stuff here. Does it have a VIN number or anything like that on it?
Nope.
Just it's all homemade.
Yeah, well, kinda. These started a long time ago. It's a, I want to say 80cc.
Okay. Alrighty, cool. Sit tight, stay on the bike. I'll be right back with you.
Cool. And honestly, you're the first one that told me that I can't ride on a sidewalk. They're telling me I need to do it to keep myself safe.
So when your friends are telling you that you have to drive it on the sidewalk, what they're probably referring to is Sioux City has a city code that covers PTVs. I think they're personal transport vehicles, right?
Okay.
The problem is that the way the code is written, those have to incorporate electric or human power in some way, right? Whereas this is just purely combustion.
Yep.
The other thing is that you said that this was 80cc.
Yep.
Those items have to be 50 or less.
Oh, okay,
50, right?
okay.
So I get where you're coming from. I'm not here to jam you up.
Okay.
But understand that since it doesn't qualify as that, technically it would be a motorcycle because
Okay.
technically per the city code it doesn't even qualify as a moped.
Okay.
So here's the deal. So driving a motor vehicle anywhere in the state of Iowa, whether it's on sidewalk, streets, whatever, you have to have insurance, all right?
Okay.
I get where you're coming from. I'm not here to jam you up. That's a warning for that because the
Okay.
state code says I either have to issue a written warning for that or I have to issue like a $430 citation.
Okay.
So that's a warning, okay? The other thing is that I can't warn you for everything. I do. Please appreciate that I do have a job to do.
Yep.
So this is a citation for operating a non-registered motor vehicle because over in, it would have been Chicago or Washington, somewhere you're going to pay your fine online, or you can detach the store portion between these two lines and send it with your payment to 620 Douglas Street 102 Circle there, okay?
Sounds good.
Does that make sense?
That
is
sounds
there anything
perfect.
else you want me to go over?
Nope.
Okay.
That makes perfectly sense.
All right, last thing you need from me is just your signature here in the box.
Yes, sir.
Not admission of guilt. I promise to take care of your final bill.
Sounds good. And then after all this, I know it's kind of a weird question. I'm a YouTuber. Could I get a clickbait for the YouTube? Get like a picture?
Oh, I can't.
Okay.
I can't. The chief goes crazy about that.
Oh, he does? Okay.
So.
Dang, that sucks. That would have been a good video.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good afternoon. Yep, I'm taking it home.